welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, the podcast where we have fun with the English language one lesson at a time. I'm your host, ESL Rockfish, and today we are going to jump into the versatile world of phrasal verbs centered around the word look. From everyday tasks, that's hard to say, tasks, to deep introspection. That's a big word. The verb look takes on various meanings when paired with different prepositions. So, let's explore these phrasal verbs one by one. Come on! I wonder if you can hear my birds. Can you? Our first phrasal verb is look after. Look after is often used throughout our days. What does it mean exactly? Great question. Look after means to take care of someone or something. For example, can you look after my cat while I'm away on vacation? Or, it's important to look after your health by eating well and exercising regularly. Have you ever had to look after something or someone? Maybe you are more familiar with look for. People look for a lot of things, and it means to search for something or someone. Example, I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Or, she's looking for a new job with better opportunities. Some people look for the meaning of life. Now that can really take a lot of time. Or you will hear look for used like this. We are looking for a few good people to help with our job. What are you looking for in life? Maybe you want to look a little more closely for something. Then you can use the phrasal verb look into. Yes, look into means to investigate or examine something. For example, the police promised to look into the matter and find the culprit. They're going to look into the matter and find the culprit. Or, before making a decision, it's essential to look into all possible options. People often look into the gas mileage of various models when trying to buy a new car. Bill looks into the background of contractors before he hires them. Bill is always on the lookout for trouble. Hey, is lookout a phrasal verb too? Yes, but not as I just used it. When I say the lookout, it's one word, L-O-O-K-O-U-T, lookout, and not a phrasal verb. However, our next phrasal verb is look out. Yeah, the phrasal verb look out, 2 words, means to be watchful or careful, as in these 2 examples. Look out for cars when crossing the street. Or, look out! There's a puddle of water on the floor. Eek! Going back to the sentence with Bill, we could say, Bill looks out for trouble, meaning he is always watchful for trouble. But when it's one word, look out, it is a noun meaning the watch. See? Oh, English, you vex us so. Let me warn you, you should always look out for exceptions to every rule in English. Our 5th phrasal verb is look through. We are going to be doing a lot of looking. I know. But when you look through something, it means to read or examine quickly. Let me just look through my notes. Look through. I looked through the report before the meeting. I'm going to look through. Or she looked through the book to find the relevant information. She didn't read it closely. She just looked through it rather quickly. Let me look through my notes and see what comes next. Oh, how about look around? Look around. Hey, whoa. Now, kind of like that. Look around means to explore or examine a place. We often look around when we go shopping. Or here are a couple more examples. We decided to look around the city before settling down. Or look around the room and tell me if you see my phone. Don't you hate when you lose your phone? Do you like to look around before you buy something at the mall? I know I do. Next up we have look back. Look back. I can't even see my back. No, look back means to reflect on past events or experiences. I love to look back on family gatherings by looking at old photos. Or how about these two examples? As I look back on my childhood, I realize how much I've grown. Or it's important to look back at our mistakes and learn from them. Do you like to look back, or do you always look forward? You guessed it, our next phrasal verb is look forward to. When we say look forward to something, it means, oh, I don't have the card. Oh no. It means we are excited about a future happening or event. We are anticipating it being good. We are excited about it occurring. For example, I look forward to seeing you this weekend. Or, I look forward to making more podcast episodes about phrasal verbs. What do you look forward to? Let's take a look at. If you take a look at something, that means to examine or consider something briefly. Let me take a look at that. Take a look at this painting. What do you think? Or could you take a look at my essay and give me some feedback? Can you just look it over carefully or briefly to examine it quickly? Just take a look at it. Or let's bring back Bill. Bill wants Sue to take a look at this car he would like to buy. Sometimes we can use have a look-see too. To have a look-see means to have a quick look or glance. Let me have a look-see at your new phone. Like, I just want to look at it quick. Let me have a look-see. A look-see. I know, crazy, right? Or, I'll just have a quick look-see to see if I left my wallet in the car. I often like to take a look-see at things on eBay. How about you? Finally, our last phrasal verb for today is look in. Look in? Yeah, it means to visit briefly or informally. We can use it like this. Feel free to look in whenever you're passing by. Or, I'll look in on my way home to see if you need anything. I have to look in on my sister's house while she's away. I just look in to see if everything's okay. It's just a quick little visit, a quick check. I'm going to look in. Got it? Whew, that's a lot of phrasal verbs with look. Which one do you think you'll be able to use this week? Choose a few and try to practice them. The more you use, the easier it gets. Look into using them more often. Perhaps you can look for them in other people's conversations. Have a look-see while watching television or listening to music. Whatever you do, don't look back. Try to look forward to using these phrasal verbs and more as you practice and improve your English. All right? Thank you for tuning in to English Makes No Sense. My name is ESL Rockfish. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. And until next time, remember to do something fun, do something amazing, or, do nothing at all. But whatever you do, have a great day. Peace, friends.